What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my pizza channel. It's the pizza guy John. First off, I just want to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel, that's liked my videos, left comments. It definitely does mean so much to me and I really greatly appreciate that. Also, with that being said, there's a lot of individuals that watch my videos that aren't subscribed. So, definitely if you want to give me, subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. Helps me, and I want to definitely make more content for everyone. Turn on that bell notification, be notified when I do make videos. Comment, definitely let me know what type of video you guys want to see, what you don't like, and I'd be happy to, make some videos for you. With that being said, I am inside today. I'm going to be making pizza outside. Today's video is all about my top 5 tips on how to get the best cook out of your Ooni oven. With that being said, I've had my Ooni Koda 16 preheating now, and so that's the first tip, making sure that your oven is being preheated for 30 minutes tops. Anything less than that, you're not going to get the best heat. You want to make sure that your oven is 850 Fahrenheit above, or Celsius 454 Celsius. So with that being said, let's go and take a look at our oven now. So like I said, we've had it preheating now. This is the Ooni Koda 16 here in the center. We're looking close to 955. So the oven's really hot. So let's go ahead, let's get inside. Also make sure that you're getting yourself a thermometer gun, which again is going to help you make sure that your oven is preheated. If you check out my last video, I did do a review on that thermometer infrared gun. I do have a code that is available. It takes off 10%. It's only good up until October 8th, so make sure if you need yourself a infrared thermometer gun that you get yourself one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make a pepperoni pizza. I got my dough. I'll link above to my recipe, and I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through it, put some music behind it, but let's go ahead and make sure that the main video is, again, tips on how to get the best heat or best cook out of your Ooni oven. So I'm gonna go ahead, stop talking now, and let's get some pizza made. Alright, now that we have our pizza topped, we're going to go ahead and launch in the oven. My next tip is making sure that you're launching your pizza in a perfect position, not too far back and not too close to the oven, again, you're going to see that there is a flame. And the next tip on that is going to be turning your oven down to low so that you're making sure that you're not burning the top, and then you're not cooking the top faster than the bottom. So we're going to let that go. My next tip with that is making sure that you're turning your pizza on a regular basis, maybe 30 seconds, 20 seconds. If you have a stopwatch, your phone, put a timer. My next tip is making sure that, again, you do have something, again, that turns the oven. You'd be amazed how many times that this has saved my fingers from burning. Again, this is from Amazon. You could also buy one from Ooni, which I'll link down below. And again, you know, putting the pizza back in the same position, in a good position, not too far to the back, not too far to the right, because again, as you can see the flames, you're gonna burn the pizza. So turning it on a regular basis, which again, these ovens, once they're hot, it's gonna cook the pizza really, really quick. So we're gonna go ahead now and just kind of be turning it. And again, these ovens will cook it quick, so that's the best thing about it, is just turning it, keeping it moving. And just like that, you're gonna have yourself a cooked pizza. My next tip, let's go ahead and get this inside, and then I'll bring out my next tip. All right, so once you have it cooked, you got your pizza. In between the next pizza, you're gonna see there's gonna be a bunch of stuff that is in your oven. And let me zoom in. You can see there's some black flour, you know, that's just gonna be, you know, from your pizza. So investing in one of these, this again is going to be a scraper. This is from Ooni. You can find stuff online, but again, I'll link it to Ooni. And basically what you're doing now is you're just scraping off any of the flour, your semolina, because you don't want that to be on the pizza. It's just not going to taste good. So you want to scrape it off to the end. That's fine where it's sitting at there. You have this other end. If you have a spillage, you could go ahead and scrape it off. But once your oven is on fully high, in between pizzas, it's gonna burn off whatever's on there. So that's gonna be my tip number 5. So let's go ahead and let's get back inside. So if you follow these tips, again, preheating your oven to the correct temperature, 800 and above, 850 and above Fahrenheit, 454 Celsius. Putting the pizza in the right position, again, not too far to the back, not too far to the left. Turning your pizza oven down to low so that the top and the bottom is cooking at a perfect rate of speed. Turning your pizza on a regular basis so that way you get a nice even crust, and as well as cleaning your oven at the end, you're going to get a perfect pizza each time, guaranteed. As you can see, this pizza is fully cooked all the way around. There's, you know, a couple little small burnt parts, but it's not completely burned because, one, you know, again, I was turning it on a regular basis. If we take a look at the bottom, which everyone loves to see, you're going to see that that bottom is nice and cooked perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead now and we're gonna get a cut into this. Gonna get a little bite. I'll put some music because some people, again, don't seem to like the eating part or the chewing. So I'll put a little bit of music there so that that doesn't, you know, get you. But if you like what you see, like and subscribe to my channel. Again, leave some comments down below, like my videos, turn that bell notification. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and I look forward to talking to you soon.